Welcome back to Maru's Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Robust Tunnel VPN in all countries for a fast, secure, and stable internet access. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like the video. So let us start up our tutorial. First step, open Google Play Store, and then we're going to search together our VPN application, Robust Tunnel VPN. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Choose this VPN application. Take note of the app icon. Take note of the app name. Take note of the developer's name. So download and install this VPN application in your Android device. And then after, open. Keep in mind that this tutorial is purposely, keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, informational, and education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. Allow all permissions that will be requested to you by this VPN application, and then after, join their Telegram channel. But for this moment, we are going to close this VPN application. We're going to close that because we have no time to join the Telegram channel. Now, this is what we're going to do. First and foremost, we're going to update the servers by going right there in the top left corner, and then we're going to look for where to update our servers by choosing update config option, and then until you see that one that no update is available. Keep closing all those adverts. Now we're going to choose the server location. Now we have so many locations, but here at Maru's Tech, I recommend my viewers to keep in the auto select server so that this VPN application can get an optimized, fast, secure, and stable server so that you can connect and enjoy a stable internet access on your network. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. We're going to now where we have the network. Now we're going to, as you see, all these are networks, but you're going to help me and type in your country's name. If not your country's name, for example, you can type in South Africa. You can type in any country's name. You can type in Guyana. You can type in Pakistan, any country's name. But for the interest of time, I'm going to be connecting this VPN application in all countries. So we're going to be using this. And then after, you can first add the time by choosing that option, or you can come where we have that round like ball, and then you tap into that one. Give it a few seconds. It will have connected to a fast, secure, and stable internet access. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. Let us meet in the next tutorial. That is it, and I sign out.